What's up, guys? Have you ever wanted a cake?
Yes!
Made without protein powder that's still high in protein and macro friendly? That's what we're making today. This delicious Greek yogurt cake is made with simple ingredients. It's easy to change up and only takes a couple minutes to prep. So let's jump right into it. Speaking of Greek yogurt, drop your favorite flavors below, even if they're only seasonal. Start this one with a small mixing bowl. Add into it 3 large whole eggs, 1 cup of a good tasting Greek yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of a sweetener if your Greek yogurt isn't sweet enough, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. If you want even more protein in the recipe, you can add in 1/2 to 1 scoop of a complementing protein powder. I'll put some other variations to this with their metric conversions and nutritional breakdowns on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue by mixing, or to make it even easier, blending those ingredients together until smooth. Next, choose your pan. Make this in a bread pan, small cake pan. This is the one I use for all of my cheesecakes. I'll drop a link to it below. Muffin pan, bigger cake pan, and so on. The choice is yours. Make sure to either coat whatever you're using with cooking spray or add in some parchment paper. Pro tip on using parchment paper with a bread pan: place your paper underneath and cut the corners off like this. If you did it right, it should fit right in without much effort. Last, pour in your mix. You can additionally top it with sugar-free chocolate chips, some ground cinnamon, or anything else you want. Put your cake into the oven on 350 for around 30 minutes. This may change depending on what you're baking it in, so keep an eye on it. I'll do my best to put more times on the website. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips to this one. Number 1, low-fat Greek yogurt works better than non-fat. Number 2, if your Greek yogurt isn't sweet enough and you like sweet desserts, you should definitely consider using the sweetener. Number 3, store it in the fridge. It tastes even better once it cools off. And number 4, I say this with all of my cake recipes, but topping it with one of our protein frostings will make it taste that much better. I'll link to my favorite one below. The winner of our last Testing or Guesstimating was Ben. Congrats to you. For this week's Testing or Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this much Greek yogurt. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams, and the first one closest to it will win a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more dessert recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.